responsibility of project administrator. Aviva has given few samples for the assembly, and let's see how to place the assembly through component creation form. For example, this is this is elbow, this is elbow 5. So this was our direction. I want to create one assembly from whatever are available onto this tube. So in order to, this is a pre-irritation. It does not collapse by itself. Okay, piping. Create or modify component. So in additional components, there's a this assembly button. So once you click this, it will show you available assembly in your project. So we have this flange, gasket flange, flange T, gate wall set, or you can go to 300 mm, this tie in, break in 300 rating one, break in this one. Okay. So by default, the assembly will be placed from the arrive point of the first component of the assembly. Let me keep it simple first, flange T. So this is the head and this is the tail of the assembly. It will be inserted onto the pipe. Either you create after this elbow or either you place it directly on the pipe using this option, right? And if, see, this assembly is made with a sample, one of the sample specs, but this line spec might be different. So it will attempt, the system will attempt to choose these components from the pipe specs, from the pipeline spec. And if it is not able to find, it will give you a prompt that select the T, select the flange SPRE, or select the direction of the T. So while the administrator make this assembly, he can embed some rules like T direction will always be up, or the subtype of T will always be butt welded. Something rules can be embedded. For the sample assemblies, let's check how it creates. So I will use the option create on pipe. Click on this and click somewhere middle of the tube. So it is, see, it could not determine the T because in this assembly it might not have been specified. For example, let's take this example, and it is asking the P3 direction of. So do you want T down or T? Do you want T up? Click up, and says it is not able to choose the flange on the list. So let's take it as well neck flange. Click OK. See. So it creates individual components. It's not like it is single component. It creates T individually, right? And then you can end the branch over here. So it creates a separate branch, as you can see. Right? Let's try few more things. Create this one.